How to stop TikTok from repeating videos. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. TikTok videos loop automatically by design. When a video ends, it restarts so viewers can rewatch without tapping. However, if you find it annoying or distracting, all you have to do is pause the video and simply swipe down. But if you are talking about this video coming on your feed again and again, then all you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen, right next to the video. And once you tap on the share icon, you will get to see the not interested option available there. Tap on the not interested. Then simply choose what you are not interested in, the creator, the video, the hashtag or anything. Then that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.